My name is Mark Worman. I'm with Graveyard Carz. We restore Chrysler muscle cars from their current condition to the way they looked 50 years ago. So when I first started looking at deburring machines, I wasn't sure exactly it would do what I needed it to do. So deburring a part is the process of cleaning it up after it's been made. So in our case, we're not making these parts. We're taking a 50-year-old part that's been on the road, been in the sand, been in the mud. It's rusty and crusty. We want to make that part look new again. There's a reason we chose C&M Topline deburring machine. So when we saw what the upper control arms, lower control arms, drag links, tie rod ends, steering knuckles, what they look like, after they've been an hour, maybe an hour and a half in the machine, it looked like brand new metal again. Brand new, something we could clear coat over the top of, and you would swear, if it wasn't pitted up from rust, that was a brand new part. So for our uses here, at least on the steel, we're using a ceramic media. That gives that metal the natural finish that I'm talking about. The other thing is we can change out that media from the ceramic over to a plastic. With the plastic media in there, we are now able to do our aluminum pieces, our plastic pieces, the stuff that's more fragile. We put the plastic media in, and now we pull out a plastic dash trim piece, and it looks brand new again. The only manpower you need on this machine is long enough to load it, long enough to take the parts back out of it, rinse them off, and start treating them.